Hello all, Amaro from Griptape here. I would love to share with you all a couple different nodes, custom nodes that I've been building for Griptape Nodes. Let's go all the way to the beginning of the flow right here. So I have my awesome anime image generated. And then, so the cool thing about the entire workflow is that I'm repurposing this step anything mask or image. So you can use this model right now with Griptape Nodes, and then we support different versions of the model, like large, small, and medium. So what this model does, it just creates a depth of the image. So whatever is white, it's closer to the camera, and then goes farther away, it becomes darker. Now I'm taking this image and I built a color correct node, right? So the purpose of this is I wanted to take this image and invert to do some compositing in a little bit. I'm going to show you how. So for this one, it's just, corrects the colors, but I'm also giving it a little bit of a tint. So you can see here, you can put the RGB value right here, which is freaking awesome. And then just playing a little bit with the brightness and gamma and things like that. Then I'm taking this invert image, and then I built this image blend compositor, similar to Photoshop blend layers. So I'm taking this one and putting it on top of the base of the original image. And you can see here, I have different blends that I can play with and, try different things. And then the opacity as well. So my purpose right here, you can see the background is becoming brighter, or it creates that sense of depth. That was my intention. I'm taking this image to my third node right here. It's a LUT Loader Node. So I'm just loading a 3D LUT color profile here. So you can see it's changing quite a bit, especially the tones. Obviously, there's thousands and thousands of LUTs that you can just create and import here in Griptape Nodes. And then I wanted to create something that gives it even more depth. So I ended up making a lens blur node. And for this, I am taking the original depth anything image that I generated right here, passing through this reroute node just to keep the flow clean, and then put it back here. And then, so I give it a couple different settings that you can play with, aperture, focus distance, focus fall off. You can invert the mask if you wanted, the blur quality, and things like that. So what this node is doing is taking this information, as you can see here, and then apply a blur, but it's creating more like a lens, like a depth blur. So I want to blur a little bit the background. You can see here it's starting to blur more like the mountains, and then less the tree, and obviously the character is going to be even less. So it gives even more depth. And then last but not least, I have a film look generator node. This is still work in progress, but it is super fun to build it. A couple different things that you can do with this: change the exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, fade. You name it. You have a bunch of really cool stuff like vignetting and things like that. So I'm taking this image, put it in here. I play with these settings, and then I export a brand new image. So I even give it a film grain, and then some vignetting and some extra touches to the image itself. And then here at the very end, you can see, the before and after, right? Obviously, I don't know if you like it better or worse, but this is just to kind of show you the stuff that you can do with Griptape Nodes. Thank you.